Hey everyone, I'm just stopping in quickly to tell you about a giveaway I'm having. Lately it's been kind of on my mind that I used to do the blog freebies, and those were such an important and regular part of Ephemera's Vintage Garden, and I kind of miss it. So I thought that maybe doing these giveaways randomly here and there might be just a new way for me to give back to this community that's been so supportive of my work. So the giveaway I'm having in 2 weeks is for two $20 vouchers to the Ephemera's Vintage Garden digital store. So I'm going to pick two winners for that. And the way to enter is just make sure you hit the subscribe button here on my channel, and then I'd like you to leave a comment below telling me that you want to be entered into the draw. And in 2 weeks from today, which is June 22nd, and it's a Friday, I will pick two winners. I'm going to do the same thing over on Instagram, so if you'd like an extra chance to win, just head over there. I'll have the link below, and I will also pick two more winners over there. So again, if you're interested in this YouTube giveaway, hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below, or head over to Instagram and follow the instructions over there. And I'll see you guys in 2 weeks. Bye!